WeatherTech Side Window Deflectors are made of a strong and flexible polycarbonate with ultra-thin precision machined flanges that are designed to slip into the window channels. Before installing your deflectors, make sure the window and window channels are completely clean and dry. Wrap a paper towel around the flat end of the installation tool and sweep it through the window channel, cleaning it of dirt and debris. Now place the flat ledge of the deflector onto the windowsill, while also sliding the bottom edge between the weather strip and the windowsill. Then slide the deflector forward until the front flange is in the window channel. With the front end in position, bow the deflector toward you to create tension, and slip the rear end flange into the vertical window channel. Then, working front to back, pull down and tuck in the flange up into the window channel. Before closing your window, make sure the deflector is fully inserted into the window channel and that there is no obstruction to the window track. Double check by running the flat end of the installation tool behind the deflector. Then slowly roll up the window in small increments until it fully closes. Repeat the process on the other side, and your WeatherTech side window deflectors are installed.